Well, what's happening, everybody? I'm going to put together a little video here to show you how I fixed or how I'm going to fix the automatic seatbelt arm on our BMW 3 Series Coupe E92. Let me show you what's going on with it right now. So you can see it just pops right off there. So from what I understand online, all you really need to do is get a little starch on that thing and flatten it out. From what I understand, it's not this thing. There's always going to be a little bit of play, but that's not enough play that's what's causing the problem. So let's get to it. Okay, so what we're going to do here is take the seat belt, grab some good old starch here, get that rocking, and we're going to spray this guy up. And let's get a nice little iron. And then we're going to flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. All right, well, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see what happens. Well, holy moly, look at that. That is a nice little fix. Do the same thing on the passenger side, and you're good to go. All right, hope this helps.